Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. Hope everyone is having an excellent day of trading today. As you can see here, I was able to jump into the portfolio during active hours trading. You guys can always tell that if there is a white background to the portfolio, that means the trading session is live. If there is a black background, that essentially means there is no trading activity taking place. And as you can see here, very good day so far today of 1.25%, 1736.65. But I wanted to update you guys on a swing trade that I have completed today with Portola Pharmaceuticals. As you guys know, this is one of my favorite day and swing trading stocks. A small biotech company, ticker symbol up on top there, as you can see, PTLA, Portola Pharmaceuticals. Did a swing trade today, completed one. If we go down to the orders here, you can see I did a couple different limit buys, or at least a couple different buys on the 5th of December. 100 shares here at 51.35, representing an equity value of 51.35. Did a second order as well, just a market buy. Wanted to quickly jump in before the session ended. Bought an additional 40 shares at $51, $2,039.96. And you can see here today the price of Portola has been doing quite well. At one point it was up 3.13% or so. Kind of rebounding again here, almost up another 3%. Went ahead and did a limit sell order, as you can see here at 52.10, selling off those first shares I bought for 51.35. Sold off 52.10 for a total equity value of 52.10. So the swing trade is right at $75, 1.46% overall return for that. The additional shares I bought at $51, I'm looking at a $53 price point or so for those shares. Not quite sure if I'll get up to that point, but if the stock does get up to $52.75 to $52.85 or so, I may sell off and look to buy back in later afternoon trading. What I found with Portola, I've been following this stock for quite some time, is that the stock typically does very well in early morning trading, typically between 9 to 10 or so. It can also have a little bit of a rebound before noon, and then typically the price of the stock trails off in afternoon trading. So it's always a very good time to put in a limit sell in the morning and then try to buy back in the later afternoon. It's worked very well with the portfolio. I've done many trades like that. So I'll be continuing to try to do those trades moving forward. Another key aspect of Portola, as you guys probably remember from my prior videos, and for new investors, this stock is a small biotech company that has a very influential FDA decision coming up in early 2018. If everything goes according to plan, if the drugs this company is developing are passed by the FDA and are able to be sold in the U.S., I do believe this is a $75 to $95 stock. It will also be a prime target for acquisitions by larger pharmaceutical companies. And besides that point, the company also has a drug that was just recently approved with a very large spike in the price of the stock. You can see that here, going from 30 to 40 all the way up to $50 to $60 or so. That market has not yet hit the sales at this point. It's not being actively marketed. It's still in the ramp up to production. So when that does come online, when sales start coming on board for that particular drug, I do believe this stock will jump another $10 to $20 or so. So if everything goes smoothly with the launch of the product that's already been approved, as well as approval of the other drugs that it has in its pipeline in early 2018, this could be a $100+ stock. That's really why I'm holding the stock in the moment. Very high risk play with Portola Pharmaceuticals here, but a very good risk reward ratio moving forward. So again, I'm not a market professional. Take everything I say as an individual investor simply managing their portfolios. I don't necessarily recommend anybody jumping into this stock, but this is what I'm doing with the portfolio. A very good day in swing trading stock here, but also a stock that I believe has a very good chance of doubling within the next 6 to 8 months or so, depending on how everything works out with its online drugs that are in the pipeline currently awaiting FDA approval. So that's what I'm doing with the portfolio. Again, just to quickly recap here, did a swing trade, $75 swing trade. Another one is in the process, and then I'll also be looking to get back into the stock in later after hours trading here. So yeah, Just wanted to quickly do an update video for you guys that like to follow along with my swing trades. And yeah, kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate all your guys' support on the channel. If you guys do like the content, if you guys do like the video series, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to hit that bell button to get alerts and updates on all new content posted on the channel. So yeah, I'll kind of end the video here, and we'll see you guys next time.